Hey y'all, stick around. Today we're doing a collaboration unboxing with Rachel from Bag Babes Coterie and Roxanne from Roxy's Reruns. It's going to be a hoot, and it's also going to be a Kisslock Kraze. So y'all stick around and see what we got.
Welcome to my channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Christopher, and I hope you're having a fabulous day. Thanks for watching this video. Y'all, today is the Kisslock Kraze collaboration between me, Rachel, and Roxanne. It's Rachel from Bag Babes Coterie, Roxanne from Roxy's Reruns, and if you don't know their channels, definitely check out their channels. Go and watch their videos, like and comment, and subscribe to their channels as well. Y'all, this is going to be such a fun video. I have a really cool bag I'm going to unbox for y'all. Before I do that though, I do want to say thanks to all my returning subscribers. Now, if you're new to my channel and you love luxury, handbags, and fashion as much as I do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave and that bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. If you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all definitely check out. Hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I do a lot of fun stuff on all those. So definitely check them out. For everything else Mad Hatter, check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio, and you can find lots of great stuff there. You can also shop my Mercari and for now my Depop closet as well. So definitely find those links there and other great links as well under the beacon links under my YouTube bio. With all that being said, if everybody could just stop, take a moment and give this video a like, and definitely check out the other two content creators, Rachel and Roxanne's videos as well. I will link everything in the description of this video. Now, this ain't my first time with the Kisslock.
This ain't my first time at the rodeo.
I actually own the Coach Rainbow Crystal Kisslock, and I had it for months and months, and I just never carried it. So I saw this one, and it actually went on deal at Amazon. They had some really great deals Coach did through the summer, y'all know. But this one sold out on Coach, and I couldn't get it there, and I waited and waited for it to go on sale on Amazon, and finally it went on sale, so I bought it. So I have it for y'all today. And I want you to go and check out Rachel and Roxanne's videos as well to see what really great Kisslocks they got. So y'all definitely check those out. Before we open the one that I have here, I'm going to show you a little bit of Shoppie Show and Tell, thanks to Rachel from Bag Babes Coterie. That's her little thing that she does, Shoppie Show and Tell. So we went shopping this weekend, and I got a couple of items, and I'm just going to share them with y'all just in honor of Rachel. But I love Rachel. She's cool, and she has some really great content and just a great sense of style as well. So y'all definitely check out her channel and subscribe. But first off, we went to the outlet mall and I got a few things. I did get something from the Coach outlet. I'll share that with you. But first I'm gonna show you, went to TJ Maxx and I got this little bracelet here. I think it's really cute and looks just like me. Very inexpensive. It was like $15 and it's from, looks like Ed Force. And it's a little black kind of onyx and it has these little, look like lion heads that attach there. And it's just kind of a little stretchy, bracelet. Let me take it off here and I'm gonna show you what it looks like on me. I almost forgot my cat claw. All right, so let's get this off. I'm gonna show it to you real quick and then we'll go over the rest of the items and then we're gonna unlock that beautiful Kisslock bag. All right, so here's the bracelet. I just thought it was really cute. And I don't know, I love jewelry, but this looks really good on me. I used to couldn't wear anything really tight, but this is, since I've lost a little weight, I can actually wear it. Let me see if you can see that up on camera there. So there it is. It's got the little lion's heads. I think it's really cute and I love the black onyx. So really cute, and that's gonna look really good with some, you know, black trousers, and I like a sleek black outfit. So I really love that. So that was my first little thing I got from TJ Maxx, my first little find. Let me put that up there and then let me show you the next one. So the next little thing, and these are just little trinkets that I got. We actually shopped for some other stuff for the house, but I don't want to share that with y'all. I just wanted to show y'all my little trinkets for my bags and stuff. So this right here, y'all, came from Walmart. It's really cute, and I have a puffy star on my Empire back here, if you can see it in the background, the green one from Coach. And this is actually from Lee, Casey Lee. And she had like a whole little line at Walmart in their little purse like section of like Western wear stuff. And this is just a little bag charm that's a yellow star. And it's just puffy and kind of a leather. It's actually really nice quality, and it has the little ring and a little chain that goes with it. So that's gonna be really cute on one of my bags. But let me just show you the logo there where you can see Casey Lee there. And it was fairly inexpensive. I wanna say this was $3, y'all, compared to the Coach Star. I mean, I think it was like $40, $50 for that Coach Star for the puffy charm, maybe 30. But yeah, for $3, a steal there. So that was my two little finds that I got on our Shoppie Show and Tell. And of course we went to Coach, and let me show you what I got at Coach. So here's my little Coach bag. And of course, we just browsed, and I've gotten so much stuff lately at Coach. I really didn't need anything, but this just happened to be on sale. And so I got this little charm here in this bag. Let me share it with y'all. It was 50% off. I try to wait until their charms go on sale because they're so expensive, y'all. I love the charms, and I have quite a few of the dupes that you can get, but I really like the original ones on some of them, and this one was so cute. And I had looked at this one for a while. I actually saw the dupe of it, but it just looked, the face didn't look right on it. So I was like, I saw this one and it was on sale. I was like, I'm gonna get it. It'll be perfect for fall. So this is the little deer charm from Coach, and she is really pretty. And the little face on it, it just looks like a little stunned deer. She looks kind of stunned and really cute. Got the little spots, kind of like a little Bambi. And of course it's got the gold hardware on it. And of course your gold, you know, Coach little attachment piece there with the keychain. And of course it says Coach on it, and then you have your little spots on the back of her. But I just thought she was adorable, and for half off, it was about $38 for this charm. So that's a really good price for a Coach charm, but she's gonna look really cute on my bags. And speaking of bags, this is the bag that I carried this weekend. This is the Rogue with the pockets that just came out in the Love Leather. I simply love it. I've got her all decked out. So she's really cute, and there is the charm next to it, so you can kind of get an idea what she'll look like. But that's gonna look really good on some of my fall bags, but I love this Rowan, y'all. It was really, really, really nice, and I loved carrying it this weekend. So with all the Shoppie show and tell out of the way, let's go ahead and we're gonna get into the unboxing of the Kisslock and continue the Kisslock craze. All right, y'all, so like I said, this did come from Amazon, and it looked like somebody tried to open my box up already, but they didn't quite get into it, so I'm happy about that. Let's open her up and see what she looks like. And which one do y'all think I got? Like I said, y'all definitely need to check out the other two videos and see what they got. Roxanne got a really beautiful bag. And I'll just say this, I think me and Rachel might be twins. All right, y'all, here it is in the box, and you can definitely see what it is. There it is. All right, so I got the Kisslock. It's the Raffia Kisslock, and it's the 27 size. And here it is in the packaging. Let's unwrap it together and see what she looks like. This was on sale for $270, I believe. So I was happy to get it for that price. And I had the rainbow crystal Kisslock, like I said, y'all, and I just never carried it. It was just super cute, super beautiful. And I now have the tabby in the blue crystal, so I'm happy with that. And I think I'm actually gonna carry it more, but the Kisslock with the crystals, I was just afraid to carry it, and it just kind of sat here and was decor in my bag room. Well, you know, what's the point of that? I want to be able to carry a bag. So this one right here, I think I'm going to be able to actually use, and you know, just kind of throw it around and not care that the crystals might fall off. So I'm really thinking I'm gonna get some use out of this one, but let's unwrap her and see what she looks like. Also, I just wanted to say thanks to Rachel and Roxanne for reaching out to me to do this little collaboration. I think these are so much fun. I really enjoy doing these little collaborations. It's fun to do for us, and I think it helps the audience kind of get a perspective of other people's views as well. So on the same kind of bags and stuff. So here it is. Let's get it out of the wrapping. There it is. And the reason I like this one so much is because it's rainbow colored, and you know, got to do the gay pride thing. They didn't come out with a pride collection this year, so maybe this will be one of my pride bags for this year from Coach, since they didn't do a true pride collection. But this is really cute. It feels nice. It's the raffia, kind of a straw-like material, so it's going to be really light. And I just love that rainbow color on it. Really beautiful. And of course, you've got your Kisslock on the top there in gold. All right, so there it is. And then you have two D-rings on the back here to attach the strap. And then there is the bottom of it. But I love the rainbow color, and this feels super nice. And it's just real light colored. Really cute little bag and a good size. All right, let's take all the packaging off here, and I'm gonna show you the rest of it. I didn't show you the hang tags here. It's got two hang tags on the side here. There is one, and then there's the other one. The smaller one, it says the Kisslock frame bag, and oh y'all, I can't see. The Kisslock frame bag, and it says limited re-edition 1969 on there. Let me give you a little close-up where you can see it there. So there it is. All right, and let's take all of the packaging off of it, and I'm gonna show you the rest, and then I'm gonna try this Kisslock on. All right, and y'all let me know in the comments, were y'all able to get any of these summer deals from Coach? They really had some good ones. All right, y'all, looks like this came with a dust bag. Y'all know how I feel about a dust bag. Just a damn dust bag, y'all. All right, and then I've got a strap on the inside here. Let me go ahead and just cut that baby loose and free the strap. All right, there we go. A little bit of packaging on the inside here. And I'm gonna take all that out. some bag candy, as Rachel calls it. All right, there's all the packaging on the inside, a little bit more styrofoam in the pocket there. It does have a little snap pocket there too that you can slip stuff down in, so I'll show you all that. The interior of this Kisslock is not leather like the rainbow one that I had. It's just more of a like canvas, almost like a cottony material. So I'll show that to y'all. I didn't know that the actual Creed patches in these bags were not actual genuine leather. I was kind of disappointed about that. I don't know why they stopped making them out of leather or if they ever were made out of leather, but I recently just found that out. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna go over the details of this bag for you and I'm gonna show it on and show you what it looks like. But here it is. Again, there's a 360 of the outside of it. So it's kind of a squishy bag, which I'm okay with. All right, and then there's the bottom of it again, but yes, real squishy. I'll probably have to get like a little organizer to go in it. I do love an organizer because you get more stuff inside your little pockets to put stuff in. So let's see what she's giving on the inside here. So let's open up the Kisslock. There is the interior. As you can see, like I said, it's more of a cotton feel to this material on the inside. And then you have your little pocket there. It's a little slip pocket with a button there. And there's the button. And then of course your Creed patch there on the rainbow Kisslock in this raffia. All right, and then on the other side, you have another little card holder piece there that you could put a little card down in. So that's a nice little touch if you want to just stick your, you know, like your ID or your wallet down in there. Really nice. All right, so that's it. And there's just one big opening on the inside, but I love the Kisslock and it makes a little snap when you close it. All right, let's try on the strap here. Let me show you the strap and see what the strap look like. Now, when you set this bag down, it's just kind of a slouchy puddle, so that's why I'm definitely gonna have to get a bag organizer. All right, here's the strap. And the strap is a brown with the gold hardware. Let me show it to you. Right, here it is. It's just a shoulder strap. This is just a shoulder bag, but there is the strap. All right, and then of course you have your dog leash style clasp there in the gold. There it is. Of course, it's got Coach on the little piece here that opens it up. All right, let's attach it. So it just attaches to the two D-rings on the back here. All right, we've got one and then two. All right, so there it is with the strap attached. Really nice size. Now the other one I had, the rainbow crystal, it was huge. This one is a really good size, so I think I'm gonna be able to really get some use out of this one. Plus I don't have to worry about all those damn crystals coming off. All right, and there's the hang tag on the side there. So I'm gonna really be able to dress this up and really wear this bag, but I need to find me an organizer. If anybody knows where to find a good Kisslock 27 organizer, y'all please let me know in the comments. But let's see what this Kisslock looks like on. All right, y'all, so here is the Kisslock with the strap on, and I put a little bag organizer inside of it just so you can kind of see what it's gonna look like when it has a little more shape to it. So it's got a little bag organizer and a little bit of structure now to it and some weight. So let's try it on here and just see what it looks like over the shoulder. There it is on me. Feels really good. And like I said, it's super soft and comfortable and squishy. So it doesn't really feel like you have a whole lot of a bag on you, which I'm happy with and I like that. So it'd be easy to just throw and go and, you know, throw it over your shoulder and you're out the door. So I love that. Feels really comfortable, and I definitely think I'm gonna be able to actually get some use out of this one. And I love the rainbow color on it, so pretty. So y'all let me know what you think about this Kisslock. Do you love it? Do you hate it? I think I love it. All right, y'all. All right, y'all, so that is my collaboration video for my little review on this beautiful Coach Raffia Rainbow Kisslock 27 bag. I think it's really beautiful, and I hope that I can get a lot of use out of it. Thank you so much, Rachel and Roxanne, for asking me to do this collab video with y'all. I appreciate it. I hope everybody loves y'all's video as well, and I hope that you love your bags that you got. It is a Kisslock craze. So y'all don't forget to check out their videos. I will link everything in the description of my video here. So check out Roxanne and Rachel's videos and see what kind of bag they got as well. I hope y'all have a wonderful week, and I'll see everybody on my next video review. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and please give my video a like on the way out if you enjoyed it. See y'all next time. Bye-bye.